This is Zoozoo, not just a kitten, but a piece of my heart I brought home after losing Tapadu. I didn't choose her for her breed, her looks, or with any plans. I saw Tapadu's face in her, and that was enough. Right after bringing her home on June 23rd, I visited the government vet, but they didn't even check her properly. Just said she's fine. By the next day, her eye started swelling. We went again, same careless check. Only one drop was given, no proper diagnosis. We trusted them, but 3 days passed, and Zoozoo's condition worsened. That's when I knew I can't take risks anymore. I reached out to Dr. Jaron Francis, a private vet in Aluva. He responded kindly, and by 8 p.m. on June 26th, we met him. And for the first time, I saw what real care looks like. He checked Zoozoo head to toe, identified the infection immediately, even spotted nits behind her ears, which we thought was just dirt. He explained everything, gave her medicine, gave her comfort, and gave me confidence. Zoozoo didn't even shy away. She ate the treat from his hand like she knew she's in the right hands now. From today, no more compromise. Zoozoo deserves the best, not just for herself, but for the memory of Tapadu she carries in her eyes forever.